Constructivism, Learner-Based Education by Ashton Power. What is constructivism? Constructivism requires students to form their own meaning interpretation of knowledge. The learner is in charge of his learning, meaning he can make reflections while his brain processes and decide on errors and misconceptions, if any. Constructivism implements thinking, real-world application, independence, collaboration with peers, higher order thinking, and interpretation of knowledge. The day of repetitive information is coming to an end. Who are the theorists? Dewey, John Dewey, Jean Piaget, Jerome Bruner, and Lev Vygotsky. Dewey is the philosopher behind the theory. Jerome and Jean Piaget are the cognitive thinkers, and Lev Vygotsky focused on the social development. How does constructivism differ from traditional ideas about teaching and learning? Students are interactive, student-centered, responsible, and engaging. The curriculum is flexible. The students are taking part of meaningful learning. Assignments are not on pen and paper. Students are viewed as responsible, capable individuals. They play an active role in what they learn. Students work actively and are involved and work with their peers collaborating. The students are the central role in the classroom. The students are taking part in interactive learning, and the teacher is doing less lecturing. The teacher role is to immerse the children in knowledge, creativity, and empowerment. The teacher is the facilitator, allowing students to create interpretations of knowledge. In assessments are done through observation. The assessments are to engage and support learners. What is the PAR model what is the PAR model of learning, and how does it relate? Present, apply, and review. In present, students are given objectives and expectations. The materials are presented and the skills are demonstrated. The students are given a list of strategies such as watch video, independent learning, group work, or student demonstration. The progress of students is monitored during this process. In apply, students are given a task and they are to execute the task by problem solving, organizing, and higher order thinking. The students check with their peers. The students will complete practical tasks and implement cognitive skills. Teacher is to monitor and be supportive. Review. In the review, students will summarize what has been learned. A summary from start to finish. This can be done through simple question and answer, exit slip, or a peer discussion. Lesson. The lesson I choose is banned literature. This will create cultural awareness. Real life application. I'm going to present a series of novels to students. I'm going to ask them which book they would like to use as a classroom novel. We will take a vote. It will be a shock when I inform them all of these books are banned. I will lightly touch on this topic of banned books. I will assign students a specific book and they will research why it is banned. 2 students might get the same book. The students will go home and start their research on the banned book. We will do research in class as well. Students will be given one question. Why is the book banned? He will create a project with evidence and textual evidence. The student will have to decide if he agrees or disagrees with the ban of the book. The student can argue both sides. And for review, we will present and conduct peer discussions about each banned book and each presentation. Thank you for watching.